So I'm measuring my waist just to be sure that I'm losing the actual fat or not. So it's coming around almost 41. Okay. Okay. So how did I lose 5 kgs or 3 inches of fat in 3 weeks? So the way I did is like by doing alternate day fasting. So like intermittent fasting. For one day, I fasted for 24 hours. Second day, I did like regular eating, but only ate two meals, like lunch and dinner. So on the day one, I have measured my body weight and it was 85.35 as we can see. So that was the starting weight. And I also took photos and the videos of the whole body so that we clearly know that how we progressed and how we looked. So let's talk about a little bit of my background, a brief, so that you can get a little bit idea. So I used to work out. I used to go to gym, lift heavy, and working out and all. And after some time, I suffered from spinal injury. Lately, it was like 1.5 years back. After that, I have to leave the gym, stop lifting heavy weights, and completely stopped all the rigorous activity which could strain on my injury. So I had a lower back spinal slip disc issue. It was herniation of the two discs of my spine, and if you suffered by that, it sucks. So I wasn't able to walk long. I wasn't able to stand for long. So it was not possible to do workout and all. And all the doctors were saying that you have to stop lifting heavy weight. You have to go to physio, and you can't lift heavy weight in the future. So I searched for the alternative treatments. I found a good Ayurvedic treatment. It worked really well for me. I healed myself in 7 to 8 months by rigorous practicing of rigorous yoga poses, some Ayurvedic medicine, food, and lots of discipline. Gradually, I've started implementing activities like I've started with walking, then little bit of bodyweight training, then step by step, I have increased my physical activities. So let's come back to the transformation and the way I do it. So from day 1 to day 21, I ate regular meals like not breakfast. I started with the lunch and dinner, and then next day I have fasted for 24 hours. So, for example, if I have to go for 24 hours of fast tomorrow, then after today's dinner, suppose I am having dinner like 9 p.m., then after that I will not have any meal till tomorrow 9 p.m. and I will break my fast after 9 p.m. So that's complete 24 hours. I used to have green tea, some coffee, not too much caffeine because it may increase the cortisol and result in breaking a fast in any way. So I was not taking risk, and it was not completely very hard for me as I have a prior experience in fasting. I have done a lot of 16 hour, 18 hours, 20-hour fast in past. Every week I was losing like 1 kg or 1.5 kg per week of fat. So whenever I break my fast, either it's 24-hour fast or regular eating, in this program, uh, I had good, healthy homemade food, not like junk food. So whenever you fast so long, whenever you fast for 24 hours, it doesn't give you freedom to eat any junk, to eat anything, to eat donuts, to eat sweets and other, junk food. Your body needs good amount of micro and macronutrients. So I have feeded myself with good high quality food, good carbs, good healthy fats, healthy protein. So yeah, that was the food part. And yes, I was working out almost every day. At least 4 times a week I was working out. I wasn't working out in the gym. I was working out at home, like it's a regular body weight home workout. So it all accelerated the process of this fasting and fat loss. Also, it's good for the preservation of the muscles. It's good for the body and overall. So yeah, I did a regular workout. Also, every day I walked at least 7 to 8,000 steps per day. I I keep track every day that I have to walk at least 7 to 8,000 of steps every single day. Thousand. So yeah, fasting, alternate day fasting, good food, body weight workout, every day 7 to 8,000 of steps per day. So that was everything I did for 3 weeks. Okay, so inch loss. So I think we measured from here last time, this point. We'll see in the video. So it's like 38.5. Do a close up. Do a close up. How pass how? Yeah.
The thumb it out. Yeah. Take
Almost 38.
38.
38 inch.
38.
Okay. So, by the way, this is not the end of my transformation. The transformation will go on. But right now, I am taking this at least 1 week or 10 days break to get used to this new weight and lift up my metabolism. And also, I'm traveling. So, yeah, this is much needed break. And it's also the part of the process. So whatever I will be doing after 1 week or 10 days, the kind of program, the kind of workout and all, I will keep posted, and I will keep on creating the updates. Also, please like and subscribe this video, as it will really motivate me to create a better content in the future. Thank you.